Hi guys, so this video is going to be a hair review slash show and tell of some hair that I'm wearing, which is this right here. So I have the hair stored in this Victoria's Secret bag. So, okay, so let me just, I have the bag that the hairs came in. Voila. Here, there should be a fourth. Well done. Alright, it seems I can't find the knitter bag, but I got 3 bundles and I also got a closure. So the hair ranges from 14 to 20. So I have a 14-inch closure, 16-inch, 18-inch and 20. And the hairs are, hold on, let me show it to you. So as you can see, it's from the company The Good Hair, and this is the 16-inch bundle. I mean the 16-inch packaging, I believe. And it's a 1B and it is their Peruvian hair. So I'm very much used to wearing 4 to 5 to 6 bundles. So I got just 3 bundles and a closure. I was thinking, ah, crap, this is not going to be enough. Yeah, so I have hair left over. I believe this is from the 20-inch, I think. But I have this amount of hair left over. And this. Now the wefts feel different. The shorter lengths, the weft hair, it feels thicker than the longer lengths. So I believe this is the 18, this is the 16, and it just feels thicker, the weft. I don't know, but as you can see, the hair has a very nice luster. You see how it looks healthy, and there's nothing in this hair at all. And they say it's a 1B, but not sure if I can see that, but this one is a little bit lighter than that one. But yeah, so this is what the hair looks like. It's their Peruvian hair, and it's their natural straight Peruvian hair, and I really like it. Now if you want something that's sleek and not too full, more natural looking, then definitely 3 bundles of straight hair and a closure. If your hair is straight, then just 3 bundles, and probably you can leave your own hair out if the hair is long enough to cover the tracks and healthy enough, can blend with the hair. But I like, you see how it looks? I like how it looks. And I have put nothing in this hair, and I like the shine it gives. Now let's talk about texture. I'm not texture, shedding. So I have been getting some shedding, obviously, because I had to, when I made, oh, it's a wig. So it's a wig. I keep on forgetting to tell you guys I'm wearing a wig. So this is a wig that I made, and I'm saving my sewing for special occasion. But yes, I'm wearing a lot of wigs lately. So when I got to the top here, I had to cut it because I couldn't keep, I did the fold over method, and I couldn't keep folding over once I got to the top. It would have looked really bulky and just kind of unflattering. But the hairs that I have left over, I will be putting those in. It's just that I got really tired when I was making this hair. I'm fidgeting with my hair. I really love it. I love how it feels, and as I was saying, I do get shedding, and I was explaining the reason why I got the shedding is because I cut the wefts. No tangling whatsoever. This is Peruvian, is it Peruvian straight? Yes, Peruvian straight. No tangling whatsoever. But it's just my initial review. Stay tuned for my other video where if there's any heavy problems or whatever, then I'll definitely tell you. If there are no problems whatsoever, then I'll definitely tell you. But it's just like, this is just like my initial review. Yeah, so shedding, yes, I got some shedding. Tangling, no tangling at all. The hair looks nice. The closure matches the rest of the hair so well. So with this hair being 20 inches, this is little bit above my belly button. So for 20 inches, this is long. It's touching, it's right on, like right above my bum. So it's very long for 20 inches. This is an AliExpress hair company. I know, right? Like a lot of hair reviewers now on YouTube are doing a lot of AliExpress companies. The truth is, I've always been contacted by them, but I never wanted to do them because I used to order from AliExpress back in the day, and for me, before I got into ordering more mainstream luxury hair, getting more mainstream luxury hair, I was very skeptical, and then I realized that the quality that I get from the mainstream hair is a little bit different from the AliExpress. But you listen, The Good Hair, yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I like it. So I prefer wearing this hair straight, only because it, to me, it's really thin. so I don't want to curl it up and it just looks blessed. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a video where I just curl up the hair and show you guys how it looks nice and curled, and see if I like it nice and curled. But yeah, so I have nothing really to report about this hair. Just put it in, it's doing good so far. No tangling, yes, shedding, love the luster. Didn't have a smell, it just smelled like hair. It didn't oh, it smelled a little bit like pack hair, like a little bit like pack hair or beauty supply store hair, as you guys call it. Yeah, a little bit. So let me just watch this for you guys, that you guys know what I think in my next video, what I full on think. But for now, really like it, really like it. I'll have the website in the description bar below, so if you want to order you can go ahead. But yeah, so for now I'm liking it, and it's on a wig, so that whenever you have your hairs sewn on, when you make your hairs into wigs, they tend to last a little bit longer and the quality is maintained longer, because I'm not it's not in my head all the time. I don't have to catch it up, it doesn't have to deal with friction. I just take it off after I'm done with this video, put it in my bag and move on. Okay, so yeah, so that's basically it, nothing else to report. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I keep on saying that, but I'll have the Good Hairs links in the description bar below, and again, it's an AliExpress company. I'm just saying, I'm very surprised, but yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in my next video.